Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to join 18 plus group on Telegram. Alright, so let's begin. By the end, you'll know how to adjust your settings on both Telegram web and the desktop app so you can view and search for restricted channels more freely. To begin, open Telegram in your browser. Once it loads, look for the menu icon in the top left corner represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on it to open the sidebar, then select Settings. Inside the settings menu, find and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the controls related to your account visibility and content preferences. Scroll down until you locate the Sensitive Content option. Depending on your version, it might be under Advanced Settings. Here, you'll see an option labeled something like Show Sensitive Content. If it's turned off, certain content will be hidden. Enable this option to allow access to restricted material within Telegram web. Next, move to the Telegram desktop app. Open the app and click on the same menu icon in the corner. Go into Settings like you did in web version. Here, then look for Chat Settings. Scroll through until you find the Sensitive Content section again. Just like before, enable the option to show 18 plus or sensitive content. The layout may vary slightly depending on your system, but the setting will be there. Once you've enabled this on both versions, you can use the search bar at the top of Telegram to look for channels or groups. Enter relevant keywords based on what you're trying to find, and you'll now see results that were previously hidden. Some groups may still have additional restrictions or require approval before joining, so don't be surprised if access isn't immediate. And that's it. This is how you can join 18 plus group on Telegram. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.